Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with your favorite photographer Divan Zosuko. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to whiten the eye easily without any much complicated steps. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So once you want to whiten your eye or your teeth, like your image, so you just come right to where you have vibrance, then you see this point, this saturation point, you now reduce it to 70. So once you're done reducing it to 70, you need to invert this layer just to turn it to black. So I'll now invert the layer right here. So after doing that, I need to pick a brush and brush the selected part which I want this effect to be applied on. So I'm just going to pick my brush, then you can see my brush, the hardness is at 40. So after doing that, I'm good to go. So I'll just change this right here and paint through the area which I want it to be applied on. So I'm just going to paint it. So while doing yours, you need to be very careful so that it won't affect the gum. So I'm just going to paint this through. I'll now come to the eye, then I'll now paint this, and I'll come back to this other point. While doing yours, you need to take time so that you won't dirty the picture. So after doing that, I think I'm good. I'll now come and open this. So this is actually how the teeth is looking. You can see some points are actually have stained, so I'll just come and paint that part of it being applied back. So after doing this, you can see the teeth and the eye has been whitened. But if you think this is too much, you now come back to this, your opacity, then reduce it to how you want it. So me, I'll just leave it at 100, so you can see the before, see how dirty is looking, and now you can see the after of it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment and share this video for more people, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. But for now, bye.